This is just a quick video of my Crane Neuday bowl on a Home Depot value toilet tank. You can buy these tanks separately, and they do fit to most bowls with a 2-inch flush valve. Not all bowls, but I'd say about 70% of them this would fit on. I know it fits on American Standard. My Ream Richmond 4-trap bowls will fit on, and it fits on this Crane Neuday bowl. So, but yeah, most of these that have the standard bolt spacing, this tank will work on. And this bowl actually flushes pretty good with this low amount of water. So you can see this is a 4-trap bowl, and these flush kind of a lot like a modern 1.6. And I'd say it's used in probably about 2 gallons. Not bad. Does pretty well. I would install this and use it, and you can see by the mess on my porch, it did pass a TP test of I think about 25 feet. But that's it.